Alright guys, so today we're going to be fishing on this creek. Beautiful creek. Up there's a waterfall. But yeah, we're going to be fishing some creeks, ponds for catfish, bass, panfish, and long-nosed gar. Got my rod right here. I just re-spooled it with 15-pound braid. Got Maddie back there. And we're going to hit a pond up here. And I'll see y'all when we get there. Maddie just caught a carp on the worm. Look at that bad boy.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day is a fish that you don't catch very often,
This is
guys.
my first ever grass carp. This is my third carp I've ever caught.
Here,
My
bring him over here to the pliers. That is a sweet catch, guys.
Yeah, I was like, geez, it's fighting hard.
The reason he didn't eat it with the weight on is because they can feel vibration.
See, I told you, all we needed to do is...
Yes! Yo, first fish.
Jeez.
And that is a decent one.
He's making noises.
Here, let me see.
Well, I'm definitely getting a photo of this, dude. Okay, y'all, I'm going to see y'all once we get him unhooked. Oh, sorry. Didn't see you.
Got him. All right, guys, look at Maddie's beautiful catch.
Can you take a photo of me?
All right, y'all, I'm going to pause the video really quick and get Maddie a photo. Boys, we got our photos. I'll show y'all at the end of the video. But yeah, beautiful grass carp right here.
My first ever grass carp.
And let's get some more. Guys, back after back. Maddie just caught a little bass. Maddie just caught another grass carp.
Fun.
Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna rig up. Guys, I just caught a little bass. First fish of the day. There's Maddie. Look at this bass. It's about as big as him. But yeah. Get the fish in quietly so we don't spook anything else. But perfect. Guys, it's seriously fish after fish. You guys can't see the colors on this guy, but he's beautiful. Maddie, turn around. Maddie has caught a little bass, but we're gonna go ahead and get mine back. Maddie has got a little bass, guys. I give him a ½ pound. Yeah, I got a fish on as well right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him in. My fish was a little healthy, perfect little bass. Beautiful colors. We're gonna go ahead and get him back. And let's try to get some more. We may catch 1 or 2 more fish here, right, Maddie? And then we're gonna go to a different spot and fish with bluegill for giant bass. So we'll see y'all there.
New spot.
Look at this little tiny bass. Hold on, let me see him real quick, Maddie. Look at that.
My only
on the worm. He's probably like not even a ¼ pound. He's 1/8 ounce.
He's probably like he's probably like 3 ounces or something like that.
All right.
No.
All right, y'all. Let's call a little panfish on the worm. Nice healthy guy. We're gonna fish for catfish right here. Yep. Bye. All right, guys. Caught my first catfish of the day. Beautiful blue cat right here. We're gonna go ahead and get him back in. Y'all can watch him swim off. But that is just a beauty catfish. Yep. Let him go off. He's gonna chill right there, but we'll see y'all when we get some more. Guys, look at this beautiful sunfish I just caught.
Oh, this water's so nice.
Alright, we're gonna get some more. Guys, we finished fishing that spillway thing right there. We're gonna enjoy some pizza and some water. So, Maddie's gonna retie a hook as if he didn't already. And we're gonna go for a little swim. And then we're gonna go hit some ponds. Hopefully catch some 2-pounders. And that nice little catfish. Hopefully we can get some bigger ones farther down the creek. And we'll see y'all then. You guys just caught a little beautiful fish. Maddie just caught his PB spotted bass. So yeah. All right, Maddie just caught a little pound bass. Maddie, hold him up real quick. Decent fish right there. We're gonna go ahead and get him back. Guys, I almost slipped. Let's get some more. Guys, me and Maddie just doubled up on small little bass. There's mine.
Okay, I'll see y'all once I...
There's Maddie's. Yeah. I just caught another one. Maddie got a little ½ pounder. He needs a little photo, so Maddie, hold him up. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get him back. Guys, I just got another little bass. Beautiful guy. He's bleeding a little bit, so we're just going to go ahead and get him back. Yep. Alright, guys. Just caught a little panfish. Got hooked him, so we're going to use him for catfish bait later on in this video. Maddie got a little bag, so yeah, just keep him fresh, and see y'all when we get some in. You guys, look at the size of this bluegill I just caught on the worm. Beautiful right here. We're going to go ahead and get this beautiful girl back. And we're going to get some more. Guys, second catfish of the day on the worm. There's Maddie down there. He already missed 2 fish, and his rod's about to go in. Maybe we'll see him get something. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to release mine. I think it's a catfish. It's fighting like a catfish. Or a big bluegill. Ooh!
First.
That is a channel cat.
And he choked it as well.
Let me see. Yep, beautiful channel cat. All right, we're gonna rig back up and get ready. Guys, got another little channel cat. Gonna go ahead and throw him back. All right, guys. So I just had my first gar sighting right here, about 2 feet long. Got this beautiful green sunfish. We're gonna go ahead and release her, and let's try to get some more. All right, guys. My last worm in this container caught the biggest catfish for right now. Matty just almost lost his rod. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy back in. Get him, Matty. Set that hook. Don't, you just let slack in. Does that feel good?
It's just a look.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Still catfish.
You guys, Matty just caught the biggest one of the day. I say he's about 1.5 pounds.
That isn't enough, man. Look at the chunk of.
You think it's more?
Yeah. Not like a ton more, but. Okay, I'm running.
Yeah.
You
All right, yeah. Let's get some more.